Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Atlanta Zoo. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to this main page right here from where we can get started. So you're going to have this check availability option. It's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. So you're going to have any of the dates available, click on the 18th, let's say for example, after which we can select what kind of tickets we want. Let's say only one adult ticket for us, after which we can click next to go to the second page where we can see similar experiences. If you're not interested in them, just click no thanks and go to the personal details where we need to fill out our personal info such as our first name, last name, email address and so on. Make sure to fill it out all correctly, and once done so, you can go to the payment page. By clicking the next button, it's going to open up this menu from where we can take a look at all the payment methods that are available to us, such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, PayPal, and so on. So let's say we want to use debit and credit card. Once you have done so, it's going to enable us to fill out the info, and once you click the pay button and make the purchase successfully, your tickets are going to go ahead and arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go ahead and open up the description of this video right now, open up the first link you see, and it's going to enable you to purchase your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.